box.
That's what we do, right?
A rectangular box.
Welcome to Pure Octane Garage.
It's funny day where we bring you detailing information
and other automotive goodness.
So please remember to like, subscribe, ring the notification bell, share with your friends. Check out the merch in the link below.
Perfect.
And that other automotive goodness we talked about, I kind of rolled that all together. Automotive goodness?
Yeah.
We're going to get to that soon, hopefully, guys.
Hopefully, yeah.
We'll see.
Someday.
But as far as goodness,
whoa.
goodness.
I like it when we have a box.
Now, to be fair,
of goodness.
This has been unboxed, as you can see.
Yeah, look, check this out.
But we'll explain why.
It's been opened.
Whoa. Whoa.
It's because, nobody wants me handling sharp knives.
Yeah.
So Brandon pre-cut this so I wouldn't hurt myself.
Or we were invited to a really cool event last Friday, correct?
Yes. Actually, yes.
Thursday. What day was it?
Thursday.
Thursday.
It says right on the box, March 4th.
Oh, it's right there. That's right. So, hey, a lot of stuff's happened in the last few days. I've been very busy. You've been busy.
Very busy.
Okay, but anyways, yes, March 4th.
Yeah.
Turtle Wax was celebrating their, well, as we learned, we'll explain, 75th birthday.
Wow.
Now, to be fair, they said the actual birthday's later in the year, right?
Right.
But they invited all of us influencers.
Mm-hmm.
Dump truck.
Wow. Yeah, there's construction going on, so if you hear odd noises, it's not coming from me or Brandon. It's it's out there.
It's not far away. There it is, beep.
Yep.
But anyways, back to what we were talking about. Turtle Wax awesomely invited us, along with a lot of other influencers on YouTube. Props up to all you guys. Thumbs up. Right?
Yeah, hey.
We love all our friends out there. And anyways, we got to sit in on a really cool event while they celebrated their birthday. They gave us a good video of the whole backstory. Wasn't that cool?
Yeah, the history of the company. Oh, I love that stuff.
Yeah, it was great. And then they sent us these with some cool stuff inside. So pull it out. Let's show them what.
Yeah, let's see what's in here. Well, we
already know.
But
you guys might not know.
Show our viewers, our subscribers and viewers, and okay.
Yeah, they had it. It was kind of funny. They had us see. It says "Do not open." We were mentioning until March 4th. They didn't want anybody to open. We all did it online together.
I'll nicely set this over. I'm not going to throw it.
So there's the cool history logo on there.
Yeah, check out this collage, guys. It's really neat. And while I'm showing this, happy birthday, Turtle Wax, and thank you.
Yeah.
I want to say that before I forget.
No, we definitely appreciate Turtle Wax hooking us up often. They take good care of us.
They're really good to their fans and their customers, and
And you realize when we watched this, did you realize kind of how many? I'm like, oh yeah, Color Magic. I remember seeing that, and I did not realize that was a Turtle Wax product.
Let's actually before. That's a good point, Brandon. Let's just
kind of talk about some of the older Zip Wax.
I remember when I was younger, my older brothers using Zip Wax.
Yeah.
Let's see, what else do we got in here? We got
you got the newer stuff. They got the ice and the hybrid.
Oh yeah,
Hybrid Solutions is there.
Of course.
But then just the old Turtle Wax, just straight up, hard-shelled wax.
They showed clips of like the old black and white ads with the animated turtle. Very cool.
My favorite part of the history was talking about how that.
You guys can see this.
Here, I'll let you show the box.
Yeah, sorry, because I probably didn't hold it up there long enough for you guys to see it.
Pause.
Anyways, hashtag TurtleWax75. So let's
dig in.
Let's dig in.
Show them what's in there. Again, we know what's in there.
I love the image.
The collage, right?
Yeah. All right, let's see what's inside here.
Shirt number 1.
Okay.
That's at number 1, yeah.
So that means there's more than
one shirt.
Nice.
All right, so look at that, 75th anniversary Turtle Wax. You got the old school logo on there.
Oh, I like that. I like
vintage.
I like the turtle with the top hat.
Right? I said the same thing when we were watching that video with them. Like the turtle with the hat. We need little stuffed animals with the hat.
Yeah. I wonder if the turtle has a name.
That is a great question.
If anybody out there knows, let us know.
We would love to know what the turtle is. There, show them the other shirt.
Another shirt. Check this out, guys. This is really pretty slick. I love that. Yeah. Wax before you ride.
It's important.
Is that what it says?
Yep. Is that what I read?
I held it up there, and then and on the back they've got this 75th birthday logo, which I really like.
With the new turtle design logo.
Check that out.
Turtle designed.
Isn't that cool?
Or designed turtle logo.
I love that stuff.
He's still got his hat on.
Oh, he does. How have I not noticed the hat before?
I know. You kind of wondered if it like left, but I don't think it ever left. But, well, here, and you got a couple stickers. You got the same thing.
Check it out.
New logo, old logo. Check that out next to each other.
Put that on your detailing toolbox or cart or something, or on your ride.
So I have a question. You know what's cool? There is a foam applicator pad.
Oh. Yes.
Well, we'll leave it at that for right now.
Why would you need a foam applicator pad with stickers and t-shirts?
Because they gave you a hat too.
Oh, right.
Maybe. So there you go. You got the cool 75th.
Oh, dang.
Nice
it's like
logo
dimensional.
Yeah.
Oh, it's like a patch on there.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Nice hat
I'll
there.
show the guys.
What do we got? Oh, it's probably the brand of the hat.
It is.
Branded bills.
I think that's a big brand in the hat world, in the hat collectors.
Nice hat. I feel it. It's a good quality hat.
Yeah, it is. Ooh, that is a nice. Oh man.
So I'm saying
but here, check out this patch.
And I wanted to say the same thing about the t-shirts. They're the good quality t-shirts too, the premium t-shirts. You know how we know that they're premium t-shirts, Ryan? We sell merch, and the premium t-shirts are these, this brand.
I like that tie-in.
Just gonna point that out.
I like that.
So I know they're good shirts. So okay, we had the applicator. All right, you want to grab something else?
I don't know where to put the hat. I'm gonna put it right there.
There's still more.
Wait, there's more.
But wait, there's more.
Microfiber.
The turtle green.
In the turtle green. Not one, but two.
But two.
Two soft microfiber rags, towels. What do you call these?
Yeah, towels. You're right. All right.
You can have these.
Let's
on
show
your
them
side.
why this is in here.
Okay, because this to me is
this is
pretty
cool.
exciting.
I didn't expect it. I didn't expect to get a product in this box.
No.
Actually. They told us this was coming. Of course.
They said they were sending us something special, and that we shouldn't open it until they told us we could open it
during the webinar.
During their birthday bash.
So, check this out, guys. It's a new product that, yes, is available to purchase today. Actually, a few days ago. From Turtle Wax's website.
This
Hybrid Solutions Ceramic plus Graphene Paste Wax.
Okay.
Cool.
So high-end premium paste wax.
Yeah. So kind of throwing the old school with the new school right here.
There is a lot of us out there, that still like that tactile feel of applying wax to your ride, taking the time. It's relaxing, actually.
It is.
It's not work.
And you can see what you're doing really well.
Yeah.
And when you remove it, you're usually in awe if you did it correctly.
Right.
And you can't mess this up. This is easy.
Yeah.
And we wanted to say this is the cool thing. Limited edition run. 75th.
So, yeah, it's limited, guys. So if you're into collecting this stuff.
And then we've got Sandra
make sure you
and
get
Dennis Healy on there. The Turtle Wax founders,
The family of Turtle Wax, yeah.
So awesome that's on there.
Here, let's show them.
Open it up.
I know you were still reading, but check out that lid. It's got that kind of green chrome or shiny.
Now to be clear on the limited, the 75th edition of this anniversary edition is limited. The actual paste wax will be available in regular packaging once they run out of those.
So, did we want to go over anything about it before we open it up and kind of show them?
Basically, they even showed it being applied, and there's videos out there already.
Yeah.
Of people putting this on. So it's very easy to put on. You put it on like a wax. You know what I mean? Got the applicator. Have a clean vehicle.
And like Brandon said, it's graphene infused paste wax.
Yeah.
So you expect that it's going to have durability.
We're gonna do a video on it.
Yeah.
We'll separate it out. This is just kind of this unboxing here. But let's open it up. And they kept mentioning it smelled really good.
Yep. I'm gonna give you the honors of opening that up, and
because I actually didn't smell it yet. Even though we opened the package, I didn't open the actual wax. Oh yeah, it even has the get the little bit of cracking.
Yeah. That's funny. Here, show them.
Check
That's
that
pretty
out.
cool.
And it does smell very good. Oh. It's it's sweet smelling. Check that out.
Oh, I can smell it already.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's sweet. It's got the smell of I think it's got the smell of wax,
yeah.
but
what you'd expect.
But then that
a very good sweet smell.
A sweet, pleasant smell. I mean, it smells really good.
Surrounding everywhere.
It's like that really nice smell of a wax. Because I have fond memories of waxing your brand new car.
How
or
many
whatever,
years
or
did
your
you apply
hot
stuff
rod.
this way?
And
dip it in, rub it on.
Exactly.
Buff it off when it dries.
And then mixed with that sweetness that they have in their whole hybrid solutions line.
Great smelling products. Yeah.
Great scent. But yeah, that's great.
So that's really We'll cap that back up.
Premium wax, paste wax with graphene. That's so cool.
You got graphene in a paste wax. Wow, that was out of nowhere.
Yeah,
you know, we hadn't heard any peep of that coming out. So
no, that was definitely a surprise, and it's so cool that you can go onto turtlewax.com, right?
Yes.
And get this kit.
You can get this exact kit with the apparel, the microfibers, and
hat,
the actual
and a couple
wax.
Stickers, the shirts with and they're not, like Brandon said earlier, they're not the cheap
quality shirts.
They're good shirts.
Yeah. So if you want to pick one up, like again, this is limited. So if you want to pick one up, it's available.
Yeah,
to you
we
guys.
recommend it, especially if you're into collecting some of this limited run stuff.
And we know people that collect vintage automotive stuff. You could have some modern vintage.
Exactly. Hey, you have that little display in the corner of your garage.
Yeah,
pretty cool.
The cabinet. So I think that wraps this one up. Thank you again, Turtle Wax. Always keeping us hooked up here. We appreciate it. And we're going to try this out. This will be fun.
Very cool. Thank you. And Turtle Wax, happy birthday, right? I mean,
happy 75th birthday.
75 years.
Guess what? That's older than me, actually.
Wow. Right. It's, a little bit older than me.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
All right, guys. Appreciate you watching. Stay tuned, again, like we said, for the graphene paste demo that we'll do and all the other great stuff we got to bring to you.
Yep.
All right.
More coming soon. We'll see you in the next one.
Later, guys. Thumbs up.
Yeah, thumbs up. We like the thumbs up.
Do those. Like do those.
You can give us a thumbs down, but we like the thumbs up though.
More of the thumbs up.
Do whatever you want.